Okay, let's do chapter 22, number 12. In the short run, a firm's total costs of producing 100 units of output equal $10,000. If it produces one more unit, its total costs will increase to 10,150. What is its marginal cost of producing 101 instead of 100 units of output? That's letter A. Let's hit pause on the reading at that point, answer that, and then continue into the question. Whoops. So, given the quantities, the first one that we're given is 100 units of output. We could move up to 101 units of output. And we're told that for this 100 units of output, the total cost is $10,000. And if we make this other unit of output, that's a pretty good hint. If we make this other unit of output, the total costs rise and become $10,150. So the question is, what is the marginal cost of this unit of output? Moving from, you know what, I'm going to change my notation. This was 100 units of output. I'll say it like that. This was 101. This additional unit of output, maybe that's clearer, I don't know, maybe that's foggier, I'm not sure. Making this additional unit of output, what is the marginal cost of that unit of output? Most of us probably see that if your total cost rose from 10,000 to 10,150, making that unit of output cost you $150. The math that you did there, if we want to write it out, marginal cost is equal to the change in total cost over the change in quantity. That's a Q. I missed a little bit. The change in total cost is new minus old. The change in anything is new minus old. So 10,150 is the new marginal or total cost. 10,000 even was the old total cost. The change in quantity was 101 is the new quantity minus 100. So these numbers are a little simple. That's why many of us probably just saw that. So that's equal to 150 divided by 1, which is 150. Making that unit, the 101st unit, cost $150. That's what that one cost you. So that is the marginal cost, and that is the answer for letter A. Letter B, what is the firm's average total cost for producing the 100 units? Average total cost, I'm going to try to squeeze this here, and then I can work with this with the next one. Average total cost is equal to total cost divided by quantity. And let's see, the total cost for the 100 units was 10,000. And it was for 100 units. And so I'm pretty sure 10,000 divided by 100, well, these cancel out these zeros. And this cancels out those zeros, is $100. So your average total cost, let me make sure I haven't made a boo-boo because I'm doing it. Okay. Your average total cost is $100 per unit. And that was just really from the given information, I believe. And so then what is the average total cost of producing 100 units? So this was for, 101 units. This is for 100 units. The average total cost, I'm out of space, but for letter C, the average total cost for producing 101 units is still total cost over quantity. And total cost for the 101 units was 10,150 divided by the number of units is 101. 10,150 divided by 101 is equal to $100.50. So that tells us a little something. If you look back at the graph for the first one we did, I believe it was number 8. I know it was. Marginal cost is 150. This was the answer to this for letter A. Marginal cost was 150. This was the answer for letter B. When we moved from 100 units to 101 units, our marginal cost of that unit, the additional unit, was 150. which was over our average total cost for 100, and it's over for our average total cost even for the 101. So that means that the marginal cost is driving up our cost per unit, which is a little bit of a takeaway above and beyond the question, and I'm sure we all wanted that.